Alright traders, hope you guys ended your week on a very strong note. Today, I'm 3 out of 3 green on the day. Ended up trading pretty well. There was another opportunity on CLRO. I could have shorted that at 250. Really didn't pull the trigger on it. I was a little hesitant there whether it was going to get its next leg on up as far as a short squeeze was concerned, because there was a lot of shorts on it. I was talking with a few guys and pretty much every broker out there had shorts for us. I was a little concerned that that one could get a huge short squeeze on it. But guys, let me know how you did in the comments section below and hope you enjoy the video. Alright traders, the market is open. I have shorts on CLRO. This one could get a pop at the start. We got 250 resistance. I'm going to keep that on watch. 250 resistance. CLRO is selling on off a little bit, which is a good sign if we want to be long in this one. That's where I would prefer to be long in it. This one has tough 250. If we look at the past chart history, right here, right here, right here, 3 different times this one has hit 250 and has not been able to break it. It's really moving on up right now. 233. Let's get this one even higher, guys. CLRO. I have shorts on it. Usually I don't have shorts on these. VTVT, this one is a beautiful looking pattern, guys. This one could be the stock of the day. We want everything else to fade on off and for VTVT to start getting the volume. This is the trend we're on. We got an ascending triangle on VTVT. We're sitting right up near resistance on it at around 325. This one has hit there. For the last 3 weeks straight has not been able to break, but we've been uptrending. Uptrending really nice. If we get good volume to break 325, 350 today, VTVT could be huge. So VTVT, I'm going to be watching very carefully for that U-shaped breakout. VTVT, I'm taking a position, just got in at 317. I saw some big orders pulling up at 314. Let's start moving on up, guys. So VTVT, I'm looking for us to break 320. Start moving on up to that 330 area. I'm trying to give it a little bit of time here, guys. Good volumes moving into this now, guys. Alright, I sold 100. These other 100 at 317, I'm going to see if they can work for me some. We just got to have really good volume to break these levels, because we've tried the last few weeks, right? And haven't been able to do it, but now we're really trying, guys. We're really testing these levels out, and we're getting some really good volume in. This could be the day, guys. This is what I was talking about. Now, 340 is going to be resistance as well, because that was yesterday's high. All right, I took it there, guys. 330 has been holding up about 4 or 5 candlesticks. Just decided to take the rest right there. And good thing I did, because VTVT is really selling on off right now. It's unfortunate. Really wanted this one to get it today, but it doesn't look like today is going to be the day. The only other thing I like is possibly a CLRO short if this one can really break above the VWAP, starts moving back up towards 250. All right, CLRO is getting that little pop. All right, short at 231 and sold as it started dropping back down a little bit. I don't know if this one's going to retest 250 or not, but it just spiked really hard up to 230. That's why I took it right there, because it's back above VWAP as well, so buyers are probably going to be moving in. And we see it still trying to move on up a little bit. CLRO probably going to try to take another short on it. I want it up to 250. 250 would be ideal. But if it breaks 250, then it's going to have 311 as that 200-day moving average. I don't want to overstay my welcome here either. I've traded twice today. Green, 2 out of 2. Someone commented yesterday with a perfect comment, really. I mean, they said, I'm trading not to lose right now. Not necessarily trading to get rich right now. I'm trading not to lose. I'm trading to get that consistency, because when I start sizing in and I'm green like literally every single day, then that's when the money's going to come. Not right now. I'm not trading to get rich right now. I'm not trading for a lot of money. You know, the money doesn't really matter a whole lot to me right now. I'm just trying to work on my emotions, work on my consistency. That way when I start sizing in a lot, that's when the money's going to start coming. A lot of people have the wrong mindset when approaching the markets. They approach it without any experience and say, I'm going to make a lot of money and not going to have to put in a lot of work. But it's the exact opposite. You're not going to make a lot of money at first, and you're going to have to put in a lot of work. VTVT, we got to watch that one going into next week, guys. That one's going to be huge. If this one really starts squeezing out shorts, it's going to break through 250, though. This is my concern. Do I start my short at 250, or do I let it push through that and short it at the 200-day, around 311, maybe even up to 320? Because here's what we're seeing here. 250 is going to be solid resistance. There's going to be a lot of shorts coming into this at 250. Are we going to squeeze past this, though? We've hit it many times, 250. We got 311 as the 200-day, which is ideal. I mean, this one's blown out on the RSI. 311 will be gorgeous. Is it going to be able to break 250, though? That's the question. 250 is going to be really strong. I know what the chart's telling me, but I think there's a lot of shorts adding right here that are going to get squeezed for a second leg on up. We're going to probably see $3, 311 today. But I did just find out that every single broker has easy to borrow shares of CLRO. So that's something else to pay attention to. When every broker has shorts to borrow, it's going to be very crowded on the short side. This thing could squeeze huge. CLRO, I'm not very comfortable on either side of this because I know 250 is a great short, but I also know this is very overcrowded on the short side. I really overthink some of these sometimes. RAND is selling on off, guys. I just got filled at 268. Probably going to go red just for a little bit here. But shorts are going to start covering soon. This thing is selling on off. All right, just sold RAND. $20 just like that. You guys know me. I love buying stocks when it's scary. Bought PCG, bought TYME, bottom ticking that. I love buying the scary stuff. If you want to be a part of the 10%, guys, you got to do what everyone else is not doing. Everyone else is buying stocks as they're spiking. Do not buy stocks as they're spiking, guys. I'm telling you. I've been green nearly every single day since I've opened this account up. I'm feeling very, very good. Feeling very healthy as far as my trading goes. And it's all because of a renewed mindset. All right, traders, that's going to wrap up this week. Hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I know a few of you are just now getting set up with CMEG. I'm really excited for you. Go ahead and enter that code in, CMEG Kevin. You'll get the best rates there. And if you guys want the scanners I use to find all the stocks every day, that's going to be in the description below as well. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you Monday.